Welcome to Tobor Technologies. In this video, we will show you how to leverage LiDAR mapping's precise scanning and measurement features to truly optimize your workflow. This is the LiDAR sensor unit. If you selected the LiDAR Upgrade option, the device will be mounted right here. To begin the scanning process, first power on the robot and connect it to the controller. Then, drive the robot to the desired starting point of the target area. We recommend starting from an entry point such as a doorway to ensure complete map coverage. Before scanning, please check the speed control bar. We recommend driving the robot at a slow, steady pace. This ensures the LiDAR laser captures the most precise spatial data possible. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the interface. Here, you will see the LiDAR minimap display, along with 3 key control buttons: Start Mapping, Save Map, and Full View. For the optimal workflow, simply click the Start Mapping icon to begin. Once the area is fully scanned, hit Stop, followed by Save Map. Finally, select Full View to open the comprehensive interface for detailed measurements and reporting. The system offers dual interface control. Let's start with the desktop view, designed specifically for PC and laptop usage. You can navigate using either the standard camera interface or this Full View mode. The key is steady movement. Drive the robot slowly around the perimeter of the room to gather data. As the map generates in real time, pay attention to the solid black lines appearing on the screen. These represent the walls and physical obstacles detected by the LiDAR. On the right-hand sidebar, you will find your essential analysis tools. Use Measure for distances and area to calculate space. The library holds your saved maps, while Lock View stabilizes the screen. Lastly, use Toggle tools to hide the menu for a clearer view. Finally, the top right controls let you switch units, export data, or exit Full View mode. Let's move on to distance measurement. Simply click to mark your starting point, then select the end point. The exact distance will appear instantly in the center. You can also switch units between meters and feet as required. Now for area measurement. To define the zone, click to plot points along the perimeter. We recommend marking the corners for accuracy. Close the shape by clicking back on your starting point. The total area will appear in the center, along with the length of each segment. As always, you can toggle measurement units to suit your needs. Next, open the library to access your entire archive of saved maps. This feature allows you to load previous scans to verify measurements or export data without needing to deploy the robot again. However, be mindful of your storage limits. Accumulating too many high-resolution files can fill the robot's memory card, so we highly recommend regularly deleting obsolete or unused maps to keep your system running at top speed. Finally, the export menu covers all needs, from AutoCAD files for engineers to detailed PDF reports. Simply select the format you require. Here is the generated PDF report, providing a comprehensive overview with the scanned map, precise scale information, grid data, and a clear legend for obstacles. Now, let's explore the mobile view, designed for full system management right from your smartphone or tablet. In mobile view, all features mirror the desktop version, but the measurement tool is adapted for touch. Focus on the red crosshair fixed in the center of your screen. This is your measurement pointer. To measure, simply drag the map until your starting point aligns exactly with this red target, then tap the screen to mark it. Next, drag the map again to align the endpoint with the red crosshair, and tap once more to complete. For area measurement, the process remains intuitive. Again, rely on the red crosshair as your precision guide. Drag the map to position the target at each corner of the zone, tapping the screen to drop a pin at every turn. To finish, you must navigate back to your very first point to create a fully closed loop. Once the shape is sealed, the total area will automatically calculate for you. Additionally, mirroring the desktop interface, you can switch units, export reports, or retrieve scans from the library, ensuring complete control directly from your handheld device. That concludes our walkthrough. Visit the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to register for a hands-on robot test drive and mapping session today. Daily slots are limited, so reserve yours now.